How to check your Visa gift card balance.
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be learning how to check the remaining balance on your Visa gift card. It's a quick, simple process and we're going to walk you through it step by step.
What you'll need.
Before we get started, you'll need a few things. Your Visa gift card, the phone number or website printed on the back of the card. Remember, it's important to keep your card information secure to prevent any unauthorized use.
Using the website.
Most Visa gift cards have a website listed on the back where you can check your balance. Here's how to do it. 1. Locate the website on the back of your card. 2. Open your web browser and type in the website. 3. Once the website opens, look for an option that says Check Balance or something similar. 4. Enter your card details as requested. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back. 5. After entering your details, click on Submit or Check Balance. Your card balance should now be displayed on the screen.
Calling customer service.
If you prefer not to use the website or can't access it for some reason, you can also check your balance over the phone. Here's how. 1. Find the customer service number on the back of your card. 2. Dial the number and follow the prompts. You'll likely need to enter your card number. 3. Once connected, ask to check your balance. The representative or automated system should be able to tell you your remaining balance. That's all there is to it. You can now check the balance of your Visa gift card anytime, either online or over the phone. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Remember to always keep track of your balance to make the most of your gift card.